Welcome back to Blazin Tech. We have a new video today. We actually have on how to install iMovie for you guys. If you haven't installed iMovie before, well, let's go ahead and do it. Most people think, oh, let me go to iMovie.com. Let me go to search for it on the Google. Well, it's not searchable through there. You could actually get it on your Mac already. If you got it brand new, you should have it already installed. If you don't, well, let's go ahead and help you out. We'll go ahead and click on the little rocket guy deal, and we'll click on the App Store. So as you see here, we have it here on the screen. We'll go ahead and type in, we'll search for it at the top left. If you don't have it on your screen already, we'll just type in iMovie. You see how we have iMovie, the first one up? Let's go ahead and click it. This little icon shows that I have installed it before. So if you don't have it, you're gonna see the word get. So you get to pick. You know, you don't get to pick what you want, but you get to, depending if you have had it before. If you had it, you're gonna have it already. If you don't, you're gonna have to just download it again, like what I just did. I just click on it, and it starts to automatically download for me. It's gonna take some time, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video for now, and we'll go ahead and get back to you as soon as it's complete. Okay, guys, we just completed the installation. Now let's go ahead and click open. Let's go ahead and opening. Let's give it a couple of minutes. This is the first time it's going to run. It takes a little bit longer. Okay, iMovie would like to access your photos. You hit OK. You hit continue, and you hit get started, and voila, we are ready to go. You start using iMovie. If you have any comments or any questions, comment down below. Make sure you turn on your post notifications if you want to continue to see more of this type of content. If you have any kind of videos you want me to make, comment down below. So peace out, guys. See you next time.